Are you sick and tired of the self-talk in your head trying to talk you out of achieving your goals? It's Cathy here with Weight Loss God's Way, and today I want to talk to you about responding to that negative chatter in your head. I've been studying the book of Nehemiah, and I'm learning how Nehemiah dealt with his critics. And so there's these three, I call them the three stooges. Their names are Sanballat, Geshem, and Tobiah. And they were coming at him. They were coming at him hard. They were coming at him to try to come off of the wall that he was rebuilding. And they made up lies. And they said, hey, let's go out for drinks. Let's just be friends. And let's bury the hatchet and let's go out for drinks. Nehemiah said no. They accused him of trying to start an uprising. They even hired a false prophet to try to dissuade him. They did everything and nothing would get him off of the wall. Nothing would keep him from finishing the work of rebuilding the temple. And that is the tenacity that we need to have as we are rebuilding our temple walls. And so there's something that Nehemiah says in 6:8 when they're coming at him. And he says, nothing about what you're saying is true. You're just making this all up in your head. And I was like, wow, that is so possible. That is so powerful. Talking back to your critics, telling your critics or telling yourself, because let's face it, we are our own worst critics, telling ourselves, that's not true. That's all in your head. That's all in your head. The belief that you can't do it, the lie that you'll start tomorrow, the lie that you'll start next week, the lie that it's just the holidays, I'll get back on track after the holidays, the lie that, you know what, I deserve cake because it's a celebration. All of those things that we tell ourselves that we know is going to take us off track. It's time to talk back to yourself and tell yourself, that's not true. You're just making that all up in your head. There's something that I tell myself when I hear myself speaking a lie or saying something that's negative or something that I know is going to sabotage me. Right away, I say, cancel. So I'll say, oh, what's wrong with me? What is my problem? Why am I so lazy? Then I say, cancel. Because right away, that cancels the lie that I tell myself. So you might try that, cancel. Or you might sometimes get bold and just say, I rebuke this lie. But find something to talk back to the lies as Nehemiah did. So I encourage you to read Nehemiah. It's a powerful book as you learn how to rebuild your temple God's way. God bless you.